Alexa, turn on the fireplace lights.
Okay.
What's going on, guys? Today I want to take a quick look at these LED diffusers by Muzata, and these are the best LED diffusers that I could find on Amazon. As you can see, it provides a very milky look to LED strips, and the reason why you want this is I think it just looks a lot more professional and finished. This is what the LED strips would look like without the diffuser. So without the diffuser, you can see on that one right there, you can see all the dots of the LEDs. Here is a quick look at what the diffuser looks like. Again, it provides that very milky white color diffusion. I've also experimented with a bunch of other diffusers on Amazon, as you can see with this one here. This one doesn't provide that diffused effect, that milky color. Now, when you install these diffusers, you want to do it before your construction begins. So I put these diffusers in as I tiled this fireplace up. All the wires are run behind the diffusers and come out to a point on the side. Also, when you do use LED strips with these diffusers, you want to get LEDs that are bunched closer together. So as you can tell, this is a little bit different than a traditional strip. These LEDs are placed much closer together, so they look more uniform and they provide a much more solid light. If you guys do have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. Let me know what you guys think about these diffusers. Would you use it in your home? Also, if you did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for tech videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.